This Brightline construction update provides a look at the progress at Orlando International Airport in May 2021. We'll start near the vehicle maintenance facility and move through the airport past the future Orlando Station and main terminal building before ending up at Narcoossee Road. A turnout was recently installed on the OUC Stanton rail line, so materials for construction will be able to be delivered by rail to the maintenance facility. To help give an idea of where this turnout is located in relation to the facility itself, here's a look from my tour of the facility back in March, showing this area and the path to the main building. This will end up being the main entrance to the facility off Boggy Creek Road. Once again, here's a look from the inside at the entrance and its location in relation to the main building. If you'd like to see a full tour of the vehicle maintenance facility, check out the link above. Here's a look into the south end of the station, where the tracks on the maintenance facility enter the station. This section of the track is complete. Here's a look at the side of the airport's intermodal terminal, which is where the station will be located. While I wasn't able to get a good look at it from the road, it's worth mentioning again that there is now track coming out of the station towards Cocoa. This is from late March when crews were assembling it. While at that time it had only made it partway down the ramp, it now passes under Jeff Fuqua Blvd and now makes it through the trench under taxiways F and E. It's hard to see here with the position of the wall, but ballast is laid throughout the trench and the tracks assembled there as well. There are a few piles of ties staged under here. The track and ballast ends just short of the end of the trench. Some work still needs to be done underneath the Terminal C automated people mover track, but sub-road bed is laid here on the north side of it. Short pieces of rail have also been delivered here and have been combined into segments of continuous welded rail and stored here on the sub-road bed, ready to be installed. The baggage cart underpass for airside 4 has had some of the airport security fencing built across it, so it should be ready for track to be laid soon. The bushes around the path to airside 2 have grown so much that I was not able to see the status of it, although historically it has been a couple of months behind. Ties and rail are stacked here, waiting to be assembled into a crossover at this location, which these signals will eventually protect. Fencing has also been built along the right-of-way here. Coming out from under Taxiway J, the new entrance ramp to Cargo Road is nearing completion. Pilings are also in place as crews build the second half of the new bridge for Cargo Road here on the north side. There has been much progress on this bridge over the drainage canal. The wall along the outside edge of the right-of-way has been completed. You can't tell in this video, but sub-road bed has been spread in this area as well. Here's a quick look at the sub-road bed from just west of the Goldenrod Tunnel. And a quick look from on top of the tunnel. The building on the left is JetBlue's Orlando Support Center. Here's a drive on State Road 528, looking at the right-of-way at the end of runway 17L. Sub-road bed is spread along this section as well. And finally, here's a look at the progress on the bridge over Narcoossee Road. The beams are up here on the first span, and it looks like the new exit ramp should be paved under it shortly. Work is ongoing for the headers for the span over Narcoossee Road itself. And crews are still working on the pilings for the span over the entrance ramp. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.